Waste management or waste control is very essential, and there is a hierarchy of control for waste. And it's important, whether we are organizations or individuals, that we all apply this hierarchy of waste in controlling waste generation. The first is to prevent or avoid waste. So if we can reduce consumption by buying less, sometimes we buy too much than we need, and when we come home it becomes waste. It can be food, for example, buying perishable food that we are not able to eat, and they go waste. It goes to a landfill, and this become methane gas, right? Now, but before that, that food is also processed, and then you are wasting it. We can also look at reuse. By the way, waste prevention is the most effective, and we should always all think about waste prevention. But if that is not feasible, you can look at reuse, okay, which is another technique whereby you can reuse by donating it or giving it to other people what you don't need, right? Okay. You can even buy secondhand items, just attempting to prolong their lifespan by preventing them from going to the landfill in time. We can look at recycling, which basically is processing materials into new products. This can be paper processing or recycling, glass, metal cans, tires, and what have you. Then we also have recovery, where you can extract value from waste. For example, if you have bio waste where you can convert that or extract energy from that, that is also good, rather than putting in the landfill. Now, the last option is disposal. And when we say disposal, you must dispose appropriately. So this is either going to a landfill or through an incinerator, and where the waste can be burned in a controlled manner, where the emission is also controlled, all flue gases and particulate matter is controlled. And mind you, a landfill is not a dump site. A landfill is more of an engineered excavation that is used to dump waste, and then over a long period of time. And this is also being covered. Now, what is important here is that lack of waste management certainly contribute to climate change, because if we are producing more waste by demanding more items, households and what have you, at the end of the day, more emission has to take place for that to happen, right? So if we can become more conscious by controlling waste, so to a large extent, we are also controlling our greenhouse gas emission and our carbon footprint. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and do subscribe, comment, and share this video. And if you have any questions, I'm glad to answer you.